Welcome back to week 2 of the second semester, and this week we're going to be focusing on when we track back to the idea of manifest destiny. Okay, so we're going to be looking at why the Americans thought that they could go all the way across the country and take land in chunks. We're going to be focusing particularly on one of the people that's responsible for pushing people off the land and started the first removal of Native Americans. His name's Andrew Jackson. You've already read about him. And you took a quiz on Andrew Jackson as well. And then as you took that quiz, you learned about the Indian Removal Act and what was later known as the Trail of Tears. So, this all began with Thomas Jefferson's purchase of the Louisiana Territory. And so we're going to focus on that, and particularly for the standards class, you have a quiz on Wednesday, and we're going to focus on all of these. We're going to focus on the actual work that you guys did in class with the Lewis and Clark expedition and interpreting the journals, and you're going to be focusing on Andrew Jackson, some of the his messages to the various groups and how those messages were interpreted by the Native Americans, and we'll be focusing on some terminology as well. And so for this week, you want to focus on the quiz, and then by the end of the week, we're going to be looking at the Native Americans. What's happened to the Native Americans today? How are they being portrayed in our current climate? How are they being portrayed in Hollywood? There's a movie coming out, and I can't remember what the name of it is, but it's coming out, and there's a portrayal of the Native Americans. So we're looking at how that is all done, and how does that reflect on those people as well. So first of all, focus on your quiz for Wednesday, focus on the terminology, and then we'll be focusing on the Native Americans, how they're being portrayed today.